Hi, I'm Shane from Artificial Futures, and you have no way of knowing if I'm real or fake right now. So, about a week ago, I posted something on LinkedIn about the dead internet theory. This was one of those crazy internet theories that popped up back in 2021 on a website called Agora Roads Macintosh Cafe. It claimed that the internet died back in about 2016, 2017 because the internet had become so flooded with procedurally generated content from different bots and things like that that ostensibly it had lost its soul, its humanity. We had been eclipsed. People generating content on the internet were now massively outnumbered by the number of bots that were just spamming everything and anywhere. Now, there's a lot of cool ramifications that we could talk about on this, but one of the more interesting ones actually was just published in a pre-release paper on Archive by a group of UK and Canadian researchers. The paper is called The Curse of Recursion. And in it outlines this potential death spiral of fake information that we find ourselves in. You see, because so many modern machine learning models are trained on data from the internet, and because many of these models then produce LLMs or other things like that are now spewing procedurally generated content back onto the internet, we get a very strange situation where more and more of these models are starting to be trained on their own regurgitation. This can be very risky because it potentially exposes us to model collapse. This idea that suddenly if something is just eating its own verbiage, then it's getting into this death spiral where at the end of the day, it's going to just turn into something that's incomprehensible by humans. It's why our humanity and judgment are so important. That's what makes AI valuable, is us in the loop. That's why it's maybe important not to fire everyone. Think about that the next time you're thinking of axing a few heads. Anyway, it's been a slice. Remember to thank a robot today and have a good one.